Have a go in your own time. Pause the video if you like every time you see a question to have a go at it. Colour in a union bee, so all of them combined. I always remember this as meaning union. U for union. What about the next one? There's the answer. I always remember this as intersection. So that's where the N is. Intersection. And if you're used to this meaning the word intersection, it's where two roads meet. So, oh look, it's where A and B meet. So it's a meet. Okay, anyway, done that. Next. Got to colour in A union B, so all of A and all of B. There we go. Notice we didn't colour in C, didn't have anything to do with that one. If you didn't do anything, you were correct, because there is no intersection between A and B because they're completely separate. So I've got to colour in all of A and all of... Oh, I've already done all of B. Okay, there you go. So that's what that one looks like. Got to colour in where A and B meet. Well that's actually all of B. So that's the answer to that one. That's the intersection. Where does C and B meet? There. That's what that one is. So, this has got to be where C meets B and meets A. So that little area there is an intersection, a meeting of all three. Got to combine all of A and all of B and all of C. So it's just all of that bit there, everything. So this is, we want the intersection of A and C. So anything that's in C and in A, which is basically all of C, because C is inside A. Final question. Oh, what does this mean? That dash means kind of not. So we're going to have to colour in everything that isn't B. There we go. Hopefully that quick quiz was helpful. Thanks for watching.